the S. This is to tell the machine to display on the screen na sound taken from container S. So tayo diri kung mag-display daw ka diri, so magbuta na ka diri og 10, then sa B is 10, is plus silang duha. So nagko siya sum, ka i-add silang duha, E and B. So E plus B, so usa to edit 10, so ang B is 10, 10 plus 10, mag-display diri og 20. Then stop ulit siya na yan. So mao na isa ka linear structures, step by step siya sa algorithm. And then relational structures. The diagonal flowcharting is used to indicate relational path equation, which is the formological completion is placed inside the efficient shape for evolution. The appropriate steps placed on either path, if any, are executed depending on the outcome of the test, which could lead to either true or false answer. So nag-define lang diri daw ang relational structures is true ba siya or false. So kibali murag po siya ay basta kuan siya murag siya galot gyapon nga na siya term. So diri nagkasimple siya true or false nga answer, which is mao ni test does two path. Then kana statement 1 is mao na step to take when the answer is no. So mag-display diri if no daw yung answer. If yes naman, statement 2, if yes naman, step to take the when the answer is yes. So kanang test is naga-decision siya. Like for example, 10 ba daw or is greater than daw 10 ba daw is greater than to 20. So sa answer, so false. So mag-display siya step 1. If true naman is 20 is greater than to 10. If true naman, yes, diba? Is mag-display sa statement 2. So meron siya ang no path, diri ang yes path. In test expression, usa kita diamond, decision siya. Ano ka na is flow, so is na siya stop diri, flow is decision. So mo na siya, guys. So proceed. Loop structure. So nata sa loop, no? Ang loop structures daw sa most programs will keep on doing series of interactions over and over until a certain condition occur. His action now is of performing a repetitive task is known as a loop. A loop structures must have control, and that is to demonstrate a certain point when certain condition is met. So ang pasabot rin sa loop structures daw is dili mo ng isa kong computer hantod sa dili makuha nimo ang isa ka problema, o dili makuha nimo ang result yun. So magbalik-balik siya hantod sa makuha niya ang point yun. So mo ng loop structures. And then sa infinite loop naman, sa infinite loop is again there is infinite loop when the execution of the step is repeatedly alone without lead up, without definite ending point. So done without lead up and without definite ending point. So no. To illustrate now this kind in this procedural run, let us consider our previous flowchart example tags figure 3 to 8, which shows how an infinite loop exists in a flowchart. So infinite flowchart daw is nagbalik-balik siya nga statement. Giwi mo nga walay hunong-hunong wala siya katapusan bitaw, wala siya katapusan nga punto, wala siya katapusan nga pag-run, no? So ang isa naman is a controlled loop na tanong. So controlled loops to avoid the occurrences of infinite loop in the flowchart. The loop must be grounded with a least undefined exit point. As previously emphasized, the loop must be paired with relational structure. The relational contract with allow to jump control to beginning. line of the previous steps only open or a condition that I will terminate. Then when a flowchart is equipped with different features of loop storage, it is known as control loop. So, nga control loop, control, so gi-control yan, no? Para balik kayan daw isa ka infinite loop sa isa ka flowchart. And then, para po ma-emphasize ang iyang programa or program, ma-emphasize sa iyang program, kailangan po siya ipare sa isa ka relational structure or ang relational construct para makatugot siya og isa ka control. So muna yun ako isa magtugot siya isa ka control, no? Para makakuha siya para mahano siya. So gi-control siya bale sa control loop. So ang flowchart siya doon na siya yung mga klaro nga pamaagi o paghunon sa loop. So mo na siya yung gitawa control loop. Na siya mga pamaagi ba? Na siya control, na siya way, na siya case. Makikala. So thank you. So salamat guys sa pagpaminaw and more na to last topic. And thank you and kasama to sa akong i-explain guys and thank you. Bye.